Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this easy curly French twist hairstyle. To start, I've curled the hair and I've just popped some volume powder at the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gather that crown section to the back of the head and tie it off with a clear elastic band, creating a ponytail. Then add some spray wax across the top of the head. Again, I'll list this below for you. And using your fingers, pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture and volume. Next, we're going to divide out all of the hair from just behind the ears forwards on both sides and clip this out of the way for later. And I'm going to make a little bungee with a clear elastic band and 2 bobby pins. Now grab the rest of the hair, twisting it in one direction as you pull it upwards. And then just lay this above the elastic band, and we're going to insert one of the bobby pins from that bungee going from right to left underneath the twist, and then we're going to pull the other elastic band and bobby pin over the top and then just poke it back in so it crisscrosses over itself. And then for a bit of extra security, add a couple of bobby pins to that twist. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray to the curls, and I'm just going to take each individual curl and just give it a little tease at the root for a bit more volume. And then just rearrange these curls so you've got some tumbling down the side and a couple of curls in the middle. And then once you're happy with where they're laying, just slip a bobby pin about halfway up the curls at the side to keep them a little bit more secure. And then use your fingers to fan them out for some more volume. Okay, unclip your side section, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. And with the rest of the hair, I'm going to twist this towards the head and bring it to the top right hand side of that twist and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Let the ends hang down and just secure with a little bit of hairspray. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So leave your hair out. Take the rest, twist it towards the head and just tuck it under the top of that French twist and secure with a bobby pin or 2. Let your ends tumble down and secure with some hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.